So we are back on our condo bathroom project, and we had a plumber in the house yesterday, so all the rough-in plumbing's in place. We replaced the stud, replaced the rusted metal track on the bottom of the framing, put a proper gasket, all new framing, and we have the rough-ins with a little bit of a blocking to give it some rigidity, because those are really narrow flimsy studs we have to deal with. And this is our drain solution. We dumped a few buckets into this, so this is what plumbers would call a running P-trap, but that's the only solution we have. So we have our flange nice and level. Now we have to build it all up, and all those cut-offs of the 2-inch Kerdi board I keep stashing in my shed will finally be all used up, as we need to get it all built up to the level, to the line here. I am also cutting the 2-inch Kerdi board for the curb, so you will see it on a next video how it all looks, because as much as I love Schluter, I never like their curbs, because they seem way too big and bulky for the solution, especially here where we unfortunately have quite a high difference between the shower and the floor. And also, since the slab actually slopes towards the doorway, I have to grind the slab down to build up a little bit of a level. Otherwise, as we level the floor with the tile, we get too high at the door in conjunction with the other flooring in the hallway. So we have to drop the slab to the level, which will create another almost 3/8 height difference between the bathroom floor and the shower floor. So there will be some building up to do. So I obviously have much more pieces of that Kerdi board, and we'll show you how it's done. So stay tuned, subscribe, and follow the process along. Thank you for watching.